In this episode, babalik tayo sa Times Square hindi para tumambay, ngunit para manood ng Broadway show. Magto-throwback din tayo back in 2017 to show my backstage pass experience to this theater show called Wicked. And lastly, may reunion na magaganap with our fellow blogger friend we haven't seen for 2 years. Late tayo nagising today pero ayos lang because today is our Broadway show day.
Alas 2 na ng hapon and ngayon lang ako bumangon. Sobrang crazy ng weather. Yesterday was such a sunny weather. Today, super cold as in 0 degrees a while ago. And right now, it's 1 degree. Sobrang lamig. Right now, we'll be heading to Times Square. We'll be meeting up si attorney. Hindi ko alam na nandito pala si Attorney Mark. Yung friend natin from the Philippines. He's a travel blogger and he's taking a board exam here in the US. And bigla na siya nag-DM. Sabi niya, mag-meet up daw kami kasi nandito raw siya, magta-take up daw siya ng exam. So sabi ko, sige, let's watch, samahan mo ako, let's watch a Broadway. We'll be watching a Broadway, which is actually, I booked a few days ago. We'll be seeing Wicked at 7 o'clock in the evening. Puntahan muna natin siya sa hotel niya. Siguro we'll have dinner, we'll go around Times Square, chikahan muna kami and stuff. So, yeah, see you guys. And I'll be seeing you in a bit, okay? Sobrang lamig. Okay guys, I'm back at Times Square. And nagkumuli tayo na binaba. Kasi it's supposedly dun tayo sa City 2 pababa. Pero nasa 40th tayo. Medyo layo tayo. Sobrang lamig. 0 degrees today guys. So, I really need to find a gusto ko ng McDonald's. I really need to find a cigar. So I want to try. So let's just go to McDonald's. I'm a bit hungry.
Bago natin imita ang ating friend, dinaanan ko muna ang Gershwin Theater kung saan itinatanghal ang Broadway show na Wicked. Excited na ako!
So, later at 7 o'clock, 6:45, nandito na kami. This is the Gershwin Theater. Ito tayo manonood ng Wicked. Our schedule is 7 p.m. So, yeah, we'll see you later.
Insakto lang din ang pagpunta ko dito dahil from here ay a few walks away na lang ang hotel ng ating kaibigan. Destination, the Manhattan Hotel.
Basta. Guys, dito tayo sa Manhattan Hotel. Ito ang room attorney. Yung Wicked, yung Gershwin Theater. Ayun lang, oh. Tapat lang talaga. Lakad-lakad lang kami today. And yeah, mag-shoot lang ako and then kakain and stuff.
To how I remember, I first met Attorney Mark back in Indonesia when Indonesia Tourism Department invited us over to join the Trip of Wonders Batch 3, where we visited Jakarta, Yogyakarta, and Bali. After walking around Times Square, we decided to find a place to eat. Parang di pa namin bet mag-early dinner kaya pizza na lang muna ang napagtripan natin kainin. We went at Pizza Cafe. A pizza slice here cost $3.5, which is, I think, a bit overpriced. And the taste? I think that was just okay for someone who just needed to get a fill in their stomach. The show starts at 7 p.m. pero alas 6 pa lang ng gabi mahaba na ang pila sa labas ng theater.
Oh, ang pila, ang haba. Pero may ticket na naman kami.
Kaya nakipila na din kami and waited till they let us in. Bago pumasok, may screening officer muna na nag-check ng aming reservation ticket and vaccination card.
Tinatakan tayo. This is for the COVID check. I know, for the vaccination. Yan. An authentication of the name.
20 minutes before the play starts, we were able to get in. Our seat was on the top floor of the theater. And bago kami pumasok, bumili muna si Attorney Mark ng mga Wicked goodies at the mini store.
Ito ng ref magnet. Talaga ba?
Yeah, as a souvenir. Ayan, this is for you.
Yay!
Ano? Sa dalawa.
Thank you.
Medyo overpriced siya for me pero nice na din to add in your collection. By the way, our ticket cost $283.50 US. That includes 2 tickets and handling fee. To what I know, the minimum ticket you can purchase is 2. So, better talaga to tag someone when watching a Broadway.
Parang magazine lang pala siya. Yay! Dito kami guys. Ganda kami. In a bit. So, ano siya ba? Almost 7 o'clock. So, we'll start na yung show. Medyo malayo kami sa stage. Pero ayos lang as first timer.
At dahil bawal mag-take ng video sa loob ng theater, let's do a throwback muna. Back in February 2017, when Wicked Production visited the Philippines and invited me over to have a glimpse of the show.
I'm here right now at their theater, and we'll be doing a tour, a backstage tour, and of course a few interview of all of the cast. Wicked, which started showing yesterday, February 2, at the back. You know, as you can see, it's TV stations doing some interview, and also at front. Those are just some of the media having a one-on-one interview with all of the cast and of course directors and producers of Wicked. And I'm just here chilling. Here's a quick tour.
We're going to start with the number One Short Day, which is a large production number with lots of singing and dancing.
One short day, and we're one in the city. Now that we're in you, know we for
After a few production numbers, it's time now to have a glimpse of what the backstage look like.
We're going to start and have a look on stage and in the wings at some of the set and the scenic pieces. And then, yes, follow me and we'll head this way if that's okay.
So now heading at the backstage.
Along with other bloggers and media outfits, first destination namin ay ang tinatawag nilang stage left.
So this is how it looks like at the back.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Backstage here at Wicked. You're currently standing on our flooring that we currently bring in on 18 shipping containers at the moment.
Alam niyo ba na ang lahat ng props, stage, and even all the materials used in the set are delivered here via 18 shipment container. And it takes them 3 to 4 days para lang maset up ang lahat ng ito before they can do the dress rehearsal and be ready for the show.
This wood is being transported from places. They use this track to transport all the set here at the stage.
And to fully make everything work, kinailangan din nilang kumuha ng mga Filipino workers to help them out. All in all, the fully functioning production has a total number of 71 crew that includes 31 actors.
So you also got names, whoever is going to wear it.
Coming from London, then UK, they all went to Singapore and Hong Kong before heading here to the Philippines. After 7 weeks of show, they will be flying next to China. Pero alam niyo ba kung alin sa mga elaborative wardrobes nila ang may tuturing na pinakamahal? Ito ay ang white bubble dress ni Glinda. After the short tour, we were given a chance to roam around the area and check out the wardrobe as long as we wouldn't touch anything.
There's also allocated chairs for them. For Joshua. It's like James.
And syempre, a quick interview portion na rin was also held at the end of the tour.
This is the stage of Play Wicked. And look at that. Live band set up here and there.
Anyway, tapos na ata ang show. Let's go back to New York City. So ano na nga bang masasabi mo, Rodel?
Ang ganda!
Pag medyo malaki na talaga ang sinasahod ko, uulitin kong panoorin to. I think a sit in the middle would give me a different experience.
So ito ron, Stardust. Mahaba pila dyan guys, but a celebrity is usually the one serving there. Kaya mahaba pila. So, kain na kami dyan. Kaya lang, paano kami kain?
Bago kami umuwi, naisipan muna namin kumain ng dinner at Applebee's. Napakalaki ng diner na ito.
Heading to second floor. Ang laki pala nito.
Serving American dishes.
American restaurant. They have appetizers that start at, usually for sharing naman to, so $13 I think is the lowest.
Finally, dinner is here.
Akala ko hotdog.
And because gabi na masyado and I don't feel safe taking the train at this hour, I decided to stay muna with the attorney at his hotel room. Dito na muna tayo matutulog for tonight.
Hi guys, it's the end of the vlog. Please don't forget to put thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel. And enjoy! Good morning! Rise and shine!
On our next episode, last whole day na natin sa New York City. Pero syempre, di natin palalampasin na di bumisita sa Met Museum. Susubukan din natin ang ilan sa mga famous restaurants dito. Kaya sumama na on my last day here in NYC. Only here on Nondag in the City.